So we are leaving Sultan Bathery. It got too late. It's about 12:15, but it's okay. It started raining, so this motorcycle is seeing everything: hot, cold, everything. Look at the Dodge Tuber registered car here in India. Wow. So the boys are having fun. So basically I've turned on the rain mode. It just reduces the throttle response, and traction is intervening a lot, but it doesn't so much also, but manageable. Finally got more or less all the weather today. I am only going fast only because I don't want to get stuck in rain, because I don't have that proper riding gears and I can't wear all these things. Brand new motorcycle, need to get to the bike, so many things of that sort. The weather and the life together. The best part about this bike is, right, it has auto cancellation indicators. That's pretty cool, no? This bike is all about electronics. More or less, the motorcycle is not controlled by me. Of course, I'm riding. I'm not saying rider inputs are important, but going forward, it is completely electronic and controlled. That's what, somewhere it's good, somewhere it's also takes away the feel of riding, because you don't know what time your motorcycle will take a twist or a turn until you push it to the absolute limit. So that's one part you need to be very, very mindful of. Wow, such cool breeze, dude. GoPro is acting so weird because it's hot, it's cold, whatever. 32 kilometers or 55 minutes away. By the time we reach, it will be 3. I don't want to get in rain. That's the only ask. Because I can get in rain, I don't mind, but I have to change, cover, etc. I'm not prepared for rain basically. But yeah, we are heading towards a Nagarhole, so that is a plan. You would have seen me moving from there. I went really fast from there because there's a lot of traffic and we were trying to figure out route, and then I stopped in between and then I picked up and I mounted my phone. I know there's a lot of vibration that's coming here. Zana, if you're watching, you have made a very, very, very bad product, and this is not the way you make products. If you don't test it out, right, there's no point making products. Anyway, I'll let you know what is that, because KTM it was working fine, but this one, no, not good. This looks like a proper forest. I don't know if something pops up from somewhere, but scary, very scary. I don't know if I can, let me put the visor down. This is the beauty of, wow, one drop just fell into my mouth directly. Do you want me to stand up and ride? I can do that. Let's see. This feels so natural to stand and ride actually. It's not so... because this is an adventure motorcycle. People who want to tour will get the 1250 GS. People who want to do off-roading only will get this. Nice. Let me drop it a bit. Nice. The way suspension is cushioning, see, it's just bouncy. So much fun. It feels so natural. I don't need a handlebar. I get the proper line. I can reach the clutch. I can reach the brakes. Of course, not recommended. Look at the weather, boys. I was not ready for the rain, but I'm okay. It's okay. Who am I to predict stuff in life? Daylight is on, hazard is on, wild animals crossing grounds, so be careful. Oh, it's actually raining hard. I'm not realizing it because I'm on my gears. The monsoon. It's basically drizzling, yeah. I wish every city was like this with so many trees. What is green shop? Lemongrass oil. Such beautiful inclinations. I see traction control intervening a lot. I had an important message. I saw, what is that? So it's basically a service view that is up. I think they've kept it for 500 kilometers. I don't know. I'm sure you would love the screen. I mean, for vlogging, it's fantastic. I wish I would take my vlogging to next level with this motorcycle. Of course, Sixa started the legacy. I hope I take it up. I will. It's just that I'm slightly busy in my personal stuff, so I'm not able to get time or whatsoever. So let the boys come, then I'll move. The boys. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is where the bike needs to belong. Brand new motorcycle. So we have planned to stop here for lunch, so let's go.